Okay, so we're back talking about exponents. So now the one thing we gotta understand is how to go backwards. So from let's just start simple. 3 squared is what?
9.
9. That's going this way.
Yeah.
What's it called when we go the other way? When we go from 9 back to 3?
Square roots.
The
Square
square
root.
root of 9 is 3.
Okay, and what's the symbol for that?
It's
You draw.
sort of like that.
Okay. Yeah. So we say the square root of 9 is 3, and that's going backwards. 3 squared is 9. Kind of the opposite of squaring is the square root is 3. And so we have to try to understand this also not just as a symbol but as a power. Okay, so we said that powers multiply, right? So we want to say 3 squared to some power x equals 3. And what power of 3 is just associated with 3?
Well,
2x.
like a half.
3 is just 3 to the 1.
Yeah.
Sorry, I probably wasn't clear about what I was talking about there. So we want to make 3 squared to some power equal 3 to the 1. So what equation do we have here?
Well, it's 3
You'll have
3 squared to the
to the
minus 1?
No, to the 1/2.
Yeah, to the 1/2.
Okay, 3, when the powers multiply, 3 to the 2x equals 3 to the 1.
Yep.
Right? So what two things have to be equal?
2x has to equal 1.
2x has to equal 1. So what does x have to equal?
1/2.
1/2. So the square root of 9 is the same thing as 9 to the 1/2 power. Isn't that interesting? That you can have fractions as powers?
Cool.
Cool.
Fractions as powers? So let me ask you a question. What do you think 16 to the 1/2 is?
I
4.
think
4.
it's 8.
4.
You think it's 4? You think
4.
it's and you think it's
8.
8? Okay. So we have a slight discrepancy on what we think 16 to the 1/2 is.
Well,
16 is what number squared?
it's
4.
4.
This is 4 squared to the 1/2. And what happens to the powers?
Oh, they multiply, so it's 8.
So that's 4 to the 1.
So,
4 times 2 times
4 to the 1.
yeah.
So,
2 times 1/2 is 1.
I think I understand that now.
Okay, so 16 to the 1/2
Is 4.
4. Okay, now, challenge problem. And I want you to answer this just to make sure you understand, okay? What is 16 to the 1/4? Oh.
Well,
Oh. You're-
16 to the 1/4. Well, you do the same thing, but then you have to go 1/2 back to the power before that. I think it's 2.
What do you think?
2.
What do you think?
2.
Okay, so this is 4 squared to the 1/4, or 4 to the 2/4, which is 4 to the 1/2. What does 4 to the 1/2 mean?
4 to the 1/2. That you go back 1 power to 2,
Okay, this is 2 squared to the 1/2.
which
This
is
is 2 to the 1. Okay, makes sense?
yeah.
All right, final one before we move on.
Okay.
Challenge problem. What is 27 to the 1/3? Raise your hand if you think you know.
Oh yeah.
All right. Okay. So I have 3 people I have to choose from. So I'm gonna count down 3, 2, 1, and then you say the answer. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
3.
What'd you say?
3.
What'd you say?
3.
What'd you say?
3.
So all right, 27 to the 1/3 is indeed 3. Okay. So now I can talk about I to the I.
Okay.
All right.
All right.